It's Big Jim Country Boy here at my secret cabin where I do secret things sometimes in the mountains. We're going to go over here and we're going to cook up some victuals. So let's get going on that.
Stop it.
How's everybody doing today? Big Jim Country Boy here. Another Campfire Cowboy cooking video outside here. Beautiful weather today. It's probably about 5 o'clock in the afternoon. I got my fire going here. It's starting to slow down just a little bit. Today we're going to cook some chicken thighs. Pretty cheap meat to buy. 99 cents a pound, 89 cents a pound on sale even right now with today's inflation prices on sales. And we're going to be seasoning them up with some Montreal steak seasoning. So without further ado, we'll get set. Okay, like I said, we're going to cook some chicken thighs today. If I can get the package open. It usually tears so easy. This must be extra strength. Extra strength shrink wrap or something. Wow, I never seen shrink wrap on here go so hard. So we're going to go ahead and put these skin side down for now. And we're going to bring this off the fire while we do it. Unroll them if they're rolled up from the butcher and flatten them out a little bit. Got our Montreal steak seasoning. We're going to take this away from the heat because we want to go low and heavy. We want to get down low so we don't lose it all. We want to put it on there heavy. Give it a nice generous portion on each one, because a lot of it might fall from the fire anyway. Now we'll swing this on the fire, let them grill for a bit. Giving them a half a spin to help those beauty lines appear, those grill marks. Like that. I haven't done a prepping video in a while, but I hope you guys are still prepping. Try to beat shrinkflation and inflation. all these, move these around here. Give them a little flipper. There we go. We got that on the outside of the fire now. The hot spot's in the middle. We'll let them cook like this for a little bit. We'll see how it goes and then we'll flip them. Hear that? Sizzling up nice. Give them some cooking time on the other side. Can't be prejudiced. The other side has some time. Now you can put whatever you like on your chicken, but I recommend this Montreal steak seasoning. They're no way a sponsor or nothing. We just like it. And when you grill it like this, it's like, it's different. It breaks up the ordinary all the time. Yeah, we could barbecue sauce it and put wing sauce on them and all this other stuff we do, but this is something different for a change, and it's pretty good. I haven't had it in a while. I'm going to move the chicken in here over the hot spot a little bit. Put it back over the heat. There we go. We'll let that go like that for a little bit, then we'll flip them again and play with them some more until they're done. See how they're looking here. Ah, that's getting there. This one down this way, give her a turn again. See how these look down this way. Yeah, they're browning up nice. Get my old poker stick here and stoke the fire a little bit there maybe. I think it's done. I'm going to call it done. Rolled? Mm-hmm. Well, it looks like our chicken's about done here. Looks good to me. Yeah, they all look wonderful. I might go put some Baby Ray's wing sauce on a couple pieces too. Well, there you have it. There's our chicken. Our Montreal steak seasoning on our chicken thighs today. Thank you very much. Until next time, Big Jim Country Boy over and out. Time to head into the cabin maybe and take a nap now.